elderly man who appears a video of an elderly man who appears to be leading a seemingly simple life is going viral on social media. However, what got everyone's attention in the video is the revelation that he allegedly possesses shares worth a staggering 100 crore rupees. As they say, in investing you have to be lucky once. He is holding shares worth 80 crores rupees L&T, 21 crores rupees worth of UltraTech Cement shares, 1 crore rupees worth of Karnataka Bank shares. Still leading a simple life, ex-user Rajiv Mehta, who shared the video of the old man, wrote. The video has garnered over 1.2 million views, about 6,000 likes along with several comments. Deepak Shenoy, founder and CEO at Capital Mind, commented on the post. He said that the total worth of the 27,000 L&T shares is about 8 crore rupees, while that of the UltraTech shares would be about 3.2 crore rupees, and the Karnataka Bank shares would be about 10 lakh rupees worth. It's a decent amount still. More power to him, wrote Shenoy. That's called the power of simplicity, the power of compounding over the period and staying away from panic sell. Investing can change the paradigm shift of wealth creation over other factors, another wrote. Brilliant, such a down-to-earth person, a third user added. While many people commended the man for his simplicity, some had a completely different take. What's the point then? Money is like fuel. What's the point if you have a lot of it in the tank and no use for it? Simplicity is one thing, but not being able to spend at all on yourself is another. See, many accumulators find it very difficult to move to spending mode when they have enough, a user stated. Another agreed, what's the point if you have so much wealth and still don't want to live a comfortable life? Someone who is going to inherit this wealth will live comfortably.